Ibang lahi po, kailangan ko mag-English. Very nice. Thank you, friends. Very nice. Assalamualaikum. Mashallah. Madam, hello. Hello. Kakalum. Gatas, Mexico. Mashallah. Nakarating pa sa Mexico ang video ko. Mashallah. We love you all. We love you all. Nakarating pa. Happy lang po ako. Happy. Be positive kasi 2026. You should be positive and be happy. Enjoy life. Wala. Life is too short. Okay? We enjoy these apps. Hello, Madam Imen. Happy New Year. Hi, good evening, Happy New Year po. Super lucky yung labaya. Assalamualaikum, waalaikumsalam. Lovely girl, mashallah. Sukran katir. Okay? We love you guys. Madam, Ana Habi visa. My husband here, he never give visa. Just local employer, okay? I told last night I visa, but I cannot give visa. Only my husband. She's Saudi. But my husband, if he want workers, only local. Local, bas tidak. Assalamualaikum Subir. Subir, alaikumussalam Subir. كيفك كله تمام كويس؟ ما شاء الله. كيفك محمد؟ كيفك؟ Hi, Turkey. MashaAllah. كيفك تركيا؟ MashaAllah, sir, so beautiful. I'm a beautiful, wallah. Thank you so much. India, ang dami po akong I have different followers, okay? Almost India, Pakistani, and Arab people. Pumasok po sa Asnia. Assalamualaikum, Asnia. Happy New Year to Asnia. Sail, assalamualaikum Sail, alaikumussalam. Almost po mga followers ko today is mga nakikita ko po ay Ahma Pendato, mashallah, beautiful abaya, yes. My husband bought this last night. Okay, this abaya came from Turkey because my husband came from Turkey. He bought this abaya, is so big but elegant, so expensive. Okay. The design is very nice. MashaAllah. Hindi ako comfortable kasi masyadong yung sa tawag nila, butterfly abaya. But this is open. They have white inside. But so expensive, MashaAllah. I don't know what because they have, see? Hindi pa po naalis.